Oh, there's a crab in this one. Give me a double. Oh, a double. A double. Yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, double banger. I feel like we got a crab, though. Oh, we do got a crab. Oh, a double banger. Look at that, guys. What's up, YouTube? Look at this. Look behind me. Beautiful, hot summer day in Central Florida. Let me show you what I already got, and I'll explain why. Look at this. I got 10 in the box. Probably threw back another 6 or 7. I actually come up here to do a video on running a trot line for blue crabs out of my kayak. But unfortunately, I can't get my trot line to sink. So I either need heavier anchors or heavier chain, or probably both, I don't know. I need to experiment and do a little research and come back up and try it again. But I did bring my folding traps, and as you can see, we're catching crabs. So I'm catching crabs out of my kayak. We're not gonna waste any time. The trap's been soaking for a good 15 minutes. Let's go see what we got. All right, guys, wish me luck. Do me a big favor, hit that like and subscribe button. See what we got. First trap of the day, a crab. That's a good sign right there. Here's a good sign. All right, throw him in a box. We'll go through them all later. Right now, let's just get some crabs. First crab of the day. All right, here we go. Oh, we got a crab on this one. Oh, here we go, another crab. Crab number 2. Way to go, folding traps. Nothing huge, but we got 2 crabs. Let's see if we keep it going. What we got? Oh, another crab. A little immature female. We're definitely gonna let her go. Still looking for that first jumbo. I feel like we got a crab though. Oh, we do got a crab. Oh, a double banger. Look at that, guys. Got a first double of the day. Get them in there. Just like that. We're up to 5 crabs, 4 in the box. Let's see what we got. Oh, another crab. They're all like the same size. Borderline too small. Oh, I feel like we got one in this trap. Yep, this little guy. I'm not gonna put him in the box. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got one in here for sure. There we go. Look at that. He's a borderline keeper. Seems like they're all like that right now. A little update. I think I got 15 crabs, 16 crabs. I got like maybe 9 or 10 in the box. Again, some small ones I need to pull out. But you know what? I'm glad I brought the folding traps, because if I didn't have the folding traps, I'd be heading home right now. I still have the trot line in the water. I still have like maybe 5 or 6 snuds are actually on bottom, so I'm still gonna leave it out there. Since it's out there, I might as well just leave it out there and check them few snuds every once in a while. Maybe we can pull a crab or 2 off of them. Oops. All right, here we go. There's a crab. Got it. I think there's another crab right there. Oh, I got off. Dang, he got off. Oh, got one here if he don't let go. Oh, I think he let go. Dang it, he let go. Oh, I got one on this one. Oh, he let go on that one. Dang, these actually had a couple crabs on them. I lost 2 of them. Again, I'm still practicing, so I'll get better at it. Okay, put it back on there. Nothing. Nothing. Might be one on this one. Yeah, there's one on this one. Got it. That bait's gone. That's it. Oh, I know there's one. There's one more here. Oh, bait's gone off that one too. So much easier to use. And it seems like I catch a lot more crabs doing it. It's a lot less of a headache. Look at that. Why not stick with what works, I guess. Biggest crab of the day. Headed out to check the traps for the 4th time. Just look around me. It's just so beautiful out here. Quiet, peaceful. Telling me I love doing this. Catching crabs is just a bonus, and today we're getting the bonus for sure. All right, first 2 traps didn't have anything in them. What I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna pull these and put them closer towards the truck, because it seemed like my last 2 traps over there did pretty well. So a lot of times when you talk about moving traps, you start catching crabs again. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Yeah, so my first 3 traps over here, nothing in them, so I think it's time to make a move with them. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Oh, there we go. There's a crab. All I had to do is talk about moving my traps. That's a female. We're gonna let her go. But it's a crab, we'll take it. I say I'm gonna have 3 crabs in these 4 traps. Which I just pulled 4 traps and only had 1, so it might be wishful thinking. We'll see though. I feel pretty positive. I always try to stay positive. Nothing. All right. We're gonna get a crab here. I know we're gonna get a crab in this trap. Nope. All right. Oh, there's a crab in this one. Give me a double. Oh, double. A double. Yes. 2 traps left. I said I'll have 3. I just got a double, guys. Look at that. So that trap right there needs 1 crab in it for me to be right again. Nice. These aren't big crabs, I tell you what, they count as 2. All right, got it. Give me 1 more. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, double banger. Oh, it fell out. 1 just fell out. You know what? That gives me 3. Here we go. Let's keep adding to the cooler. What we got? What we got? Oh, there we go. There's another one for the box. That's actually not a bad looking crab right there. Not bad at all. I'll wrap it up. I'm going to move these traps a little bit this time. A little update. Probably got 30 crabs on today. I maybe got 20 in the box. I'll tell you, if I figure out that dang trot line, we're going to catch a ton of crabs off that thing. Like I said, I think I need to get a heavier anchor and a heavier chain. But once I get that thing figured out, watch out. Because I'm telling you what, we're going to catch a ton of crabs. Like I just said earlier, thank God I brought my folding traps because that's what saved the day. You know, I'm getting a few crabs off the trot line, but most of these crabs are coming off the folding traps. You know, I've got 3 doubles today. I just haven't got any giant crabs. You know, I got some okay crabs and a lot of small crabs. I just haven't got any big crabs yet, so I don't know what's up with that. All right, it's been 15 minutes, enough yapping. Let's go check these traps. Got it. See what we got. Oh, another crab. There you go, look at that. Another crab. Get them in the box. We'll freshen this bait up. What do we got? Oh, there we go. There's one. Oh man, he went in the boat. All right, got one in the first trap. I predicted 3 in the next 5, so let's keep it going. Oh, nothing in that one. I put fresh bait on that one. What do we got? Do we have anything on this one? Oh yeah, we got crab. There we go. Yeah. So, 2 traps left. One of them has to have a crab for my prediction. Wrap it up. Come on. I like my odds. I like my odds. Got it. Come on, let me have a crab in here. Uh-oh, feels heavy, it feels heavy. Oh, he shoots and scores. That's a decent crab right there. Nice, boom. Here we go. Put fresh bait on. Let's check this trap real quick. I said 3 out of 5. There's one on this one I'm wrong, but that I don't mind being wrong with extra crabs. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Oh, we might have another one. I don't know, we'll see. Nope. I called that one. Well, that time around, I think we got 5 or 6 crabs. I got 4 in here. We're gonna dump in the cooler. They're starting to add up. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and pull my trot line. And time I get my trot line pulled, these traps will be ready to check again. Let's see how we do. Let's see what we got. Oh, there we go. There's a crab. Nice. It's a little small, we're gonna let him go. All right, let's go up to our next trap. All right, got it. Oh, we got a crab. Oh, we got a crab. Look at that. Double banger, 2 crabs. Here we go. Put this guy in the box, we'll put one in the box. Oops, they both got in the box. We'll pick to them later. Last trap of the day, let's end with the bang. What do we got? Crab. There we go, catch and release. Good way to end the day. Well, that's a wrap. I tell you what, man, it ended up being an awesome day on the water. You know, the trot line kind of let me down a little bit. I'm still learning. You know, next time I come out, hopefully we'll catch all them crabs on the trot line. I'll show you what I ended up with on the day. Probably at least 30 crabs in there. Threw back another 15, 20. I probably caught 40 or 50 crabs a day. That's pretty awesome. But that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the water.